The Instant Flyer solution from Accelerating has been designed to enable users to generate an automated flyer in minutes. The process uses standard business tools. The DAM and PIM are combined in a SharePoint asset library. The pagination is completed in Excel, which is linked to the SharePoint DAM. The flyer is generated using mail merge in InDesign, which links to a CSV file exported from Excel. The Excel file has 3 tabs. DAM, which links to SharePoint. Outline, where the page setup is constructed. Pagination, where page content is added. The flyer begins on the Outline tab. Enter the title and period. The outline is created on selecting the number of pages from the drop-down list in cell B3. Each page setup is chosen from the available layouts in column C. The columns highlighted in blue refer to additional images, i.e. logo, overlay, header, etc. The columns highlighted in yellow relate to text, font sizes, and colors. The drop-down lists are automatically populated from SharePoint. To demonstrate, we'll assume that page 1 will be a cover with a single logo. The logo is selected in cell E6. On page 2, we will add a single product with a background image and overlay. We will also add all text headers, footers, etc. A visual of the selected asset will appear in cell I3. Font sizes can be changed by selecting a different option in row 5. This will change the options available in the drop-down list. Let's complete the rest of the outline. Once the outline is complete, click the book icon. This will open and update the pagination tab. The pagination tab is where the image and product information is added. On this tab, there will be one row for each item on the page. In cell H5, we decide what type of asset we are looking for. In this example, all assets are models. Each asset is chosen from the available assets in column H. An image of the chosen asset will appear in column G and in cell K1. Product information, if available in SharePoint, will appear in columns I, J, K, and L. In the demonstration flyer, only layers 1B and 2P display the product information. This is all fully customizable in InDesign. Let's complete the pagination. Once the pagination is complete, click the disk icon. This will generate and save a CSV file in SharePoint. The flyer is created by merging the CSV file in InDesign. The CSV file is relinked in the InDesign template. The flyer can now be previewed. Click the Create Merged Document button to produce an InDesign document of the flyer. Different format flyers can be produced instantly by merging the same CSV file to a different InDesign template. Here we connect the same file to a mobile-optimized format.